Did you know you can create self-signed certificates for code signing directly with Advanced Installer? The certificates created with Advanced Installer can be used to sign MSI, EXE, as well as MSIX packages. I have an MSIX project open here, and if I navigate to the digital signature page, I can enable signing and create a new certificate. After that, I can simply select the certificate which will be used to sign the packages. Now I can build the solution, and Advanced Installer will create and sign the MSIX package with the previously created certificate. The certificate will also be automatically present on the machine where I perform this operation, so I can now simply install the package.